Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove the background of any picture in just few seconds. It's so super easy to do. You don't need any Photoshop skill to do it. You just need your app and your phone. So let's get into it. Download the app called Photoroom in your phone from your Google Store or your App Store. When you download it, you create a new account and open it. On that button, the row start from photo and it will lead you to your gallery. You click on the picture you want to remove the background. After you click on it, it will scan it and remove the background. After it does that, you'll be left with so many choices. You click on the transparent one, the one they wrote transparent. That's the actual picture that the background removed. When you click on it to view it, you click on export to save this picture to your gallery. Let me show you what the picture looks like after I removed the background. So I imported it to my CapCut and I opened the app and clicked on new project to get a plain video, that's white plain video, and then I imported my picture, the one I removed the background. You can see it over there. See what it will look like after removing the background. After doing all those things, I saved it and here is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and let me know in the comment section what editing skills you would like me to teach next.